In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale an object in AutoCAD. As you can see on my AutoCAD screen, we are going to select the object, wherein as you can see here, first of all, you're going to click on this and type on the command the word scale and press enter. And from that, we're just going to click here, the end point of the object that we're about to scale. And as you can see here, I'm just going to scale this on this. Or if you want to scale this whole object, you can just select it all and type the scale on the command and then choose the endpoint just like this. Or maybe you can also choose the center point of the object. And then you can also turn on the ortho mode so that you'll be able to scale it perfectly. And from there, just simply click on it. And that's about it. That's how to scale object in AutoCAD. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.